Hello and welcome to this quick tutorial on how to set parental control on YouTube TV. So we're now on the web browser tv.youtube.com, and from the front page you navigate to your profile photo, you click it, then you go to settings. In settings you find a section called ratings filter. If you apply these filters, only programs with the following ratings are available to watch. And keep in mind that these settings only apply to the device you're setting them in. So if you want the parental control, for example, in a tablet or a TV, you should do this filtering in that device. PG stands for Parental Guidance Suggested, and this filter will remove all programs that might be unsuitable for young children. If you choose Allow up to TV 14, it will only filter programs that are unsuitable for children under 14. So if you have small children, select the first one. If you have a bit older children, select the TV 14. And that's it. Now you know how to set parental control on YouTube TV. I hope this was helpful. Thank you and see you in the next video.